Welcome to this video on the data-driven monopoly, exploring how Asian Paints leverage data and logistics to dominate the Indian market. The company achieved market leadership through superior execution and real-time data insights. Asian Paints has delivered exceptional returns over 40 years. An initial investment of 10,000 rupees in 1980 is now worth over 11 crore rupees, demonstrating 11,000 times returns and compounding wealth. The Indian organized paint sector is estimated at 86,000 crore rupees, showing strong industry growth. Asian Paints holds a dominant 53% market share, showcasing strong leadership and consistent performance. The traditional paint logistics model involves a complex chain of regional warehouses, multi-tier wholesalers, and city distributors. This complex supply chain leads to high costs and significant inventory risks. The journey began in 1942 when four friends capitalized on a wartime ban on foreign paint imports. This environment encouraged local production, paving the way for Asian Paints' establishment. Asian Paints pioneered a direct-to-retail model, drastically eliminating the multiple layers of wholesalers and distributors. This approach created minimal intermediaries for greater efficiency and speed. In 1970, Asian Paints invested in an IBM 1401 mainframe computer for 8 lakhs. This investment in data analytics came years before many major Indian institutions, marking the start of its data-driven strategy. The company built a predictive algorithm that fed internal sales data with external variables like local weather and regional festivals. This system generated models to optimize operational instructions for retail counters. This data infrastructure enabled a unique 4 times a day delivery machine. Stores received replenishment dispatches and restock orders at 8 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. for precise daily stocking. By transforming the supply chain, Asian Paints changed retail economics. Stores moved from requiring 30 days of inventory and large storage to holding only 3 days, leading to 10x higher cash rotation. The introduction of the tinting machine revolutionized customer service. Base white paint is injected with precise colorants to create a custom shade in under 2 minutes, with 99.9% accuracy, right at the retail counter. Asian Paints decentralized manufacturing by moving the final step to the counter via the tinting machine. This shift moved capital expenditure from the central factory to thousands of local retailers for optimized, localized production. The retail capex and integrated operations created high switching costs. Retailers became dependent on Asian Paints' unique shades and enterprise network, making it costly to switch to a competitor. The efficiency gains resulted in an inventory turnover ratio of 11.5 times, significantly higher than competitors. This higher turnover provides Asian Paints with massive working capital advantages. Asian Paints operates what is essentially a cost-plus pricing machine. Despite extreme volatility in global crude oil prices, which is a key raw material, the company maintains remarkably stable operating profit margins. Asian Paints evolved from a chemical product foundation to an emotional lifestyle brand. This strategic shift moved from focusing on the functional era of Gatu to modern themes of personal identity and home as sanctuary. Asian Paints built an influence network around the trade ecosystem. This involved training apps and loyalty programs to upskill and reward local painters, contractors, and interior designers. The company established massive mega-factories across India, such as in Ankleshwar and Sriperumbudur. These facilities provide large-scale production capacity, allowing Asian Paints to benefit from economies of scale. Asian Paints secured its raw material pipeline through backward integration. This end-to-end integration, covering phthalic anhydride and pentaerythritol production, ensures supply resilience and cost control. The dealer network was modernized using IoT-connected smart tinting machines. Real-time consumption data is fed to cloud services, enabling AI-driven production scheduling at the factory. Asian Paints maintains a deeply optimized cash conversion cycle. By minimizing inventory days and maximizing payment terms, the company generates large amounts of operating cash flow. The company consistently generates world-class return on equity and return on capital employed, often exceeding 25 to 30%. This strong financial performance is a testament to its capital efficiency and market dominance. Asian Paints is expanding its value proposition, moving from just selling paint to offering beautiful home solutions. This includes a full range of home decor, such as modular kitchens, wardrobes, and bath fittings. The Safe Painting service leverages digital tools for accurate color visualization and estimation. This comprehensive service simplifies the process for customers and assigns professional contractors. The company drives growth by shifting consumer choice toward luxury emulsions. Premium products like Royale and Apex Ultima are central to this strategy, increasing market value and profitability. Asian Paints tests its supply chain agility in global markets across Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Operating diverse regional brands helps refine strategies and adapt to varied operational challenges. New entrants face significant barriers due to Asian Paints' infrastructure. These barriers include the need for massive distribution networks and entrenched dealer relationships built over decades. The market is now facing a modern challenge with the entry of Grasim and Birla Opus. These competitors are backed by significant capital, demanding a strong defensive strategy from Asian Paints. A key battleground is the, quote, counter space monopolization. Retail shops have limited space for tinting machines, making the race for counter real estate critical to maintaining market control. In conclusion, Asian Paints' dominance stems from the strategic integration of technology, data, and logistics. This foundation has enabled them to evolve into a full-spectrum home decor solutions provider. Asian Paints has a strong focus on green chemistry and environmental sustainability. This includes achieving zero liquid discharge certifications and integrating solar power across its manufacturing plants. The company maintains a strong commitment to ESG principles, publishing detailed reports on its environmental, social, and governance performance. They are focused on sustainable operations and community engagement. Asian Paints actively partners with NGOs, government organizations, and local communities to drive social change. Their initiatives focus on education, health, and local infrastructure improvements. The company's governance structure emphasizes transparency and integrity. This is supported by regular stakeholder communication and adherence to strict ethical guidelines and corporate compliance standards. Asian Paints is positioned for continued success, driven by its data-centric approach, deep supply chain integration, and expanding home decor solutions, solidifying its market leadership in India and beyond.